Will your home pass the test? Can you sell your home for top dollar right now? Or do you need to do a few things to make sure you get top dollar? Hi, I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Let's take the quiz and see if your home will pass the sell for top dollar test. When you walk up to your home, does it have curb appeal, fresh landscaping, maybe a bit of red bark, fresh flowers, plants and trees, new trim and door paint, or possibly even a new paint job? You need to hire someone who cares more about getting you top dollar than possibly hurting your feelings. Have you done the 3 Ds? Declutter, depersonalize, and deep clean. And I mean real deep cleaning. Baseboards, scarf marks, cleaned up the landscape, changed out old light bulbs, and more. Is your lawn lavish and green or yellow and crispy? Are the walls painted neutral color? Have you patched holes, painted front door and trim? These things matter. Brick red walls with mismatched paint doesn't necessarily quantify selling for top dollar, at least not in this market. Do you have neutral carpets that are clean? Or are they 10 years old and they only have been cleaned once and people walk over them with shoes on? Well, the truth comes out. This is not going to cut it to get top dollar. Do you have updated flooring and countertops? Are your cabinets still the same as they were 20 years ago? Or have you updated them? Does your lot compare to the 1/2 acre lot that's up the street? You see, all these matters. And here's a big one, the smell test. I'm sure you don't realize this, but did you know that most people have a smell to their home? Yes, a smell. I know it sounds gross, but it's true. I love pets. In fact, I've always had pets all my life until just a few years ago. I consider them family. But if I were to list my home, I would have to Febreze like crazy as my cat and dog would pee on my rug or sofa at times. So when I sell, I have to make changes, and I would also have to pass the smell test. What about cooking? Do you cook with spices that you are used to, but if someone comes over, it would smell like a fish fry? Again, that's a no-go. Have you truly compared your home to your competition? I mean, everyone, includes me, thinks that I have the best home on the block. I have a client who spent 5 weeks putting in the old green tiles with brown grout. But is this measuring up for your competition? No. Is your home partially staged or fully staged with modern furniture to ensure it shows the best of its ability? Or is your furniture outdated and probably will look better in grandma's house? Hey, don't shoot the messenger. I'm just trying to help. So I challenge you, take the quiz and get the scale from 1 to 10 if you're ready to put your house on the market to sell for top dollar, or if you need to make a few changes. And the reality is, most of us would have to make some changes prior to going on market. I'm Sudie Hsu with Coldwell Banker Realty. Keep it simple, keep it real.